Alright everyone, welcome to step 5. And this is the most interesting part of this content. Imagine you can start building your own email list right now for free. You don't have to pay to get expensive list builder, you don't have to pay a monthly subscription, and you're gonna have a free email list of people that are interested in a particular product or services or a particular niche. How are we going to do this? We are going to do it with a Google tool. Man, I said it earlier, we're addicted to Google. And now, in this section, we're going to learn how to create our free Optin form. And we're going to create two types of Optin form. The first one that they are going to get before they get to the free product. And the second one is the one that they are going to get the whole full, that they're going to go to get the whole full download of the product content. Then also a link to our affiliate offer. So what are we going to do right now? So let's go to Google. If you on the computer, you can actually go there to Google Tools and look for your Google form, or just type it into Google. Just say Google form. This is the tool we're going to leverage on. It's free. Wow. Let's click on Google form. Yeah. So the shortest link to go to your Google form is just type google.com/form. Sorry, google.com/form. That is what you want to do. So now you want to go to Google Forms. Let's go and create our first free email list. Alright, it's coming up. So you're gonna start by clicking on this blank if you don't have any other form here. So click on blank. So to get this Google form, we only need just 2 details from people, and all we need here is let's click on this. You're gonna click to edit this, and it's still loading. So what's gonna be the title? Name. I'm going to tell them to give me their names because I want to. Okay, you can take this tour if you're a beginner. You can take this tour to learn about it. So, no thanks. So, yeah, you're going to ask for their name. Feel free to use your name, whatever. It's not a multiple choice question. It's a single, it's a short answer. Yeah, this is where you want a short answer. And we want to make it required. Yes, we want to make it required, and we want to add another question. We want to know their email. Yeah, feel free to enter a valid email address. Feel free to experiment with this. So now wait. So the next thing you want to do also is that you want to give this form a title. How to lose weight. I can see here. I can copy this because I love this. So give it this form description so they're going to know what to do. Enter your name and email. Yeah, feel free to experiment with this. You can just go creative about it, but just make sure you just keep it simple. You don't want to make it too complex. And once people start entering, you're going to start saying this response here, and there's actually going to be an Excel sheet for you to be able to see. There's going to be response, easy. Get notification email from new response. Select response destination, which is going to be like where this form is going to always save. So here you have the questions. Always remember to mark each field required, or if you don't mark each field required, you don't know if they filled it or not. So don't forget to always check that they are required. Required. So now we're done with you see, you can add images if you want, to just make the form look more interactive, So as I said, in this we spoke about landing page, and a landing page is a Google Optin form. So for this reason, you don't need the website, because this can give you exactly everything that you need. I think I'm going to make this very big, just highlight everything and click on this text right here. Okay. Alright, so I think we're okay. You can make it more bigger. That's alright. That's okay. Actually, if I want to add something else, I'm gonna just add this description and title. I'm going to just add another title. Maybe I don't like the way this is small. I'm just going to copy this and still put it there, but that's gonna make it look like it's getting very big. So I don't like to use it. So I'm gonna have to delete it. So like this, we've created the first form. Yeah, we've created the first form, and you want to name it. Let's say your niche is weight. My niche is weight. I'm gonna say this at weight niche code list. Yes, you want to call them code list. So these people are coming to get this product for free, so they are cool. Cool. So you can decide to move to a folder. So yeah, we're going to call them code niche weight list. Sorry about that. Weight niche code list. Now we're good about this form. Yeah, we're good about this form. And if you click on this send here, you are going to have a link to pick this form, and you can ask for a short URL over here. You can see you have it. So you copy this. This is a link. This is you want to embed. This is you want to share directly to Facebook. You want to share to Twitter. This is you want to share to email. This is you want to embed it on your So we already copied this. I'm using the short link. I copy the short link. I save it here. Just collect. Create image. Code list. You want to save this also. So now okay, one thing I also like to tell you is that you want to make sure that for each response you have to make sure that create a spreadsheet. You see, I'm gonna say create a spreadsheet for code niche code list. So I just click on create. So this is going to be saving that all emails coming in here are going to be saving in this spreadsheet for us, so we can always save. And the other settings here are get email notification for new response. That is when someone enters details here, you want to get a new notification for that. So you can click to select it if you want. So this is going to let you know live that something is going on with your email list. Alright, before finally creating next form, all we want to do here is I want to click on this setting icon here. We want to go to presentation or quizzes, sorry. Okay, we want to go to presentation. We want to tell people that show link to submit another response. No, you don't want that. So what you want here is that once they have entered their email and address, you want to give them the link to your free content. So you're free to write If it's right, put the link. Below. So yeah. What's the title? Hold on. You get the how to lose weight. So you can see how to lose weight free, how to lose weight and live naturally guide. And you gotta save this. So now when we uploaded our full PDF and we got our link, we're actually going to come back here. And just drop our link. We're gonna drop our link below. As in, we're gonna drop our link below right here. The link to the where we'll put our PDF content and save. Just save this. So the next form we're still gonna create is we're going to create a second form. Alright, so we're gonna go over to right now, work on our PDF. We're gonna upload, then we're going to come back and finish this form. We're going to create a second form and we're going to put the link that's going to link to the second form. So one thing that we'll just need to do, copy the link to this, which we've kept here, which is we're going to need it very soon. Now let's move on to the next step.